In today's digital world, having a YouTube account is more than just a nice to have thing. It's a must-have thing, whether you're a content creator or someone who just loves watching videos. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create your own YouTube account and start your digital journey. All right, so first we're going to open up a web browser. Now in my case here, I'm going to be using Google Chrome just because it's owned by Google. So is YouTube, and they seem to work well together. So up the top here in our search bar, we're going to type in youtube.com. And you're going to be brought to the main screen, but at the moment you can search, but you won't be able to interact with anything until you create an account. So in the upper right-hand corner, we're going to click the sign in button. Then we're going to add our email address. Now, if you already have a Google account, you can just type that in here. But if not, we're going to create an account for my personal use. Now from there, I'm going to go ahead and put my name in. You don't have to put your last name in, that is optional. But it does like some demographic information. So we're just going to put in some basic content here. All right, so we're going to go ahead and say get an email address. So I don't have one currently. So for this particular purpose, I'm just going to click on getting a Gmail address. We'll just put something like that, and let's see if that's not taken. All right, next step, we're going to create a password. Now I do highly recommend you create a strong password here. I would say nothing less than 8 characters. As a matter of fact, I would do between 10 and 12 characters, making it a combination of letters, numbers, uppercase, lowercase, and maybe a symbol or two. So once you've entered your password, you're going to go ahead and put your phone number in. You will get a text message that will ask you to verify, and once that occurs, you will be able to go on to the next step. So once you receive the text message and you put your code in, click the next button, and now it will ask you for a recovery email address. So we're going to skip this process right here, and there we go. We're going to review our account information. We're going to read the end user license agreement, click agree, and it's going to confirm our personalization, and we're going to hit confirm. And just a quick second, and now you are a full-blown user of YouTube. Now that you're officially set up on YouTube, you'll be able to find better videos, follow creators you trust, and stay organized. Let me know in the comments below what videos you like to watch most, and I'd also appreciate if you would hit the like and subscribe buttons so you're alerted when new videos like this one are posted. Thanks for watching.